How's my hair? Okay. Welcome to Blondie the Builder, and this evening, first of all, I'd like to wish everyone a happy Canada Day. As you can see, we're at the lake, off the grid at the lake. And like I said, happy Canada Day to all my viewers, and thank you for subscribing. I'd like to thank everyone that has subscribed and even took the time to watch the video. First of all, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for future notifications, and like and share any kind of comments. I'd appreciate any kind of comment. Right behind me, as you can see, there is a raft, and the raft that I am going to build is a raft that's bigger than the one that's there that you can see behind me with the ladder. Tonight, first of all, we are shooting fireworks off from the raft tonight, so stay tuned for that. We're going to show you, I'm going to film the fireworks, but also I'm going to be building a raft bigger than the one that's behind me that you can see, and we're going to put a motor on it, and it's going to be lattice all around the edges. We're going to put patio furniture on it. And another thing, the most exciting thing about this weekend is we are going to build our forever home on this property. It's going to be a tiny home, off the grid tiny home. So stay tuned for that video. There's lots of new exciting videos that are coming your way. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel and click the like button. The fireworks right behind me on the floating dock with the ladder that I mentioned right out here. It's all set up, ready to go, and we have lots of fireworks. It's going to be a good show. We did this about a year ago, and we got pretty much the same fireworks that we got then, and it is a great show. Stay tuned. Ooh, that's a flinker. It's going to be a great show. Stay tuned for that. And this is Blondie the Builder leaving you at the cabin, off the grid. Happy Canada Day.